Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Mac and this is my life. So today we're gonna do a vlog. Well, today I'm gonna do a vlog of a beach day, and this is my beach fit. I do have a bathing suit on, but don't feel like showing. And yeah, so today we're going to the beach and we're going with my friends. This is Kim, this is George, and that's Anna, and then we're waiting on everybody else. And we're off. This is my sister. It's Saturday, my dude.
Yes. I didn't press the third button. So we're gonna go down to third.
Shoot. Whoever's going down to the third is you get a fresh taste of my butt.
We're going to find his car. Yeah, you could just cut through there. Ooh, I like this song.
Double vlogs.
Double vlogs. We love two vloggers.
Yes, you do.
If we bumped into each other on a crowded street, because we're vlogging. It's not us no more.
Fuck you guys. No, guys.
Musk? That's the smell of a man. Damn, let's be
I hate you.
Not really.
Did you guys get wasted last time too?
This is not the way to the beach, by the way. We're going to Rogers Market, which is another market on campus. If you go to UCSD, you would know like what it is.
You know.
Exactly. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. But I'll probably do a tour of all the markets because I've officially been to all 6 of the markets. Yes, barely. But they're pretty, some are pretty small, some are pretty big. Some have everything, some don't. But the village where I live, they have majority of things. So yeah, but I don't. We also have an aquatic system, an aquarium, which is like a pool on campus. We have 2, but UCSD is a big campus. But we're going to the beach because who doesn't love the beach in the winter?
You see San Diego.
Also, we're going because me and Kim haven't been to the beach in a while.
I haven't been to the beach at all. Well, once, but
Really?
at night. I went. It was for a bonfire.
Yeah, I went during the summer. We went to Black's Beach in the dark, and we returned at like 2 a.m. But pretty psyched. And I usually don't get in because I get cold really fast. So we'll see. So we just got to Rogers Market, and we're gonna get some snacks. Woo!
Buckle up, I hear.
Waiting around, who up, sit down as not. I just said, look.
We made it! So we just found a spot, and I am so happy. I'm probably gonna get in for a little bit. I don't know what's going on with my hair, but there are so many people here. Well, not a lot, but for it to be winter, there are so many people. I'm not gonna show you because I don't feel comfortable showing you, but I did get in, not very far from the shore, but we're walking back so that we can take pictures and stuff like that. So this has been a pretty good experience so far, and I'm so happy that we came to the beach, because what's the better way to vlog than in the sun? That's Kim. In the natural lighting. So we just got back. I'm gonna shower and get ready for the next event. So I'm showered. My hair looks hella dead, but I'm showered, and now we're going on to our next event, which is Winter Wonderland. So we'll see how this goes. So beach day was pretty successful. I'm gonna probably input some of Winter Wonderland, but not all of it. So I hope you enjoyed beach day, and let's see how Winter Wonderland. Currently just arrived where Winter Wonderland is happening, and there doesn't seem to be a lot of people, which is good and bad, but we'll see how this goes with Kim and Anna again.
I just so casual. I think I'm magical. I'm black and I'm beautiful.
Hey guys, so I just got back from Winter Wonderland not too long ago, and let me tell you, it really had me wondering where the real ice skating ring was, because although they did have real snow, they didn't have a real ice skating ring, and I don't even know how to explain what that was, but it wasn't great. It disappointed me in so many ways because I was looking forward to ice skating all day, and it didn't go as well. But I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Life with Mac. My name's Mac, and this is my life. Follow me on this journey. Bye.